Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to pin a comment on a TikTok. So once you pin a comment, that comment is going to be the first one you're going to see on your video. So let's get started. You open your TikTok. Oh no, let's go and search for. You go to your profile. No, now is it? Now is it? Now you're going to see your. Now open it. When you open it, let's search for the comment. Now is it? Now click on the comment here. Once you click on it, you're going to see pin. So if you do not see pin here, what you're going to do is just click on add to favorite. So once the option is not here, that means either your TikTok is not updated or the pin option is not there. Just add to favorite, and once you add to favorite, you can see that comment is going to be the first one you're going to see. You can see is this one that you put on your or love there. So guys, if you found this video helpful, subscribe and like. Thank you.